welcome to my vlog, another video, another try on haul. So for today's video guys, of course, we'll try this one and this one. So para sila pink, ayan, black and pink, and ito naman black and pink po siya. Okay? So unahin natin to. This one is very nice, XL ni siya guys, ganyan, pack. This is high cut also, tsaka maganda ni siya guys. Sa loob is ganyan siya. Okay, large na siya. I bought this in the mall. Ayan. Ayan. So, maganda siya. Maganda ang kanyang fitting. I-try natin. Magkaiba sila. This is different, guys. This one have garter. Ayan. Yung isa, wala. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Ayan. And comment heart if you like the video. Ganyan siya, guys. Okay. So, the second one naman is like this. I am very much happy for this also. This is high cut. Ganyan. Napaka-sexy niya. This is very sexy one. Ganyan. So, I really like this. I want to try. Ganyan. And then, ganyan siya sa loob. Of course. It's very cute also. Nice and cute. Very maganda ang kanyang ganyan. Okay? High cut ni siya and this is very sexy. Ayan. Let me know which one is better kasi suot ko silang dalawa. I'm excited to wear na. Of course, guys, let me know which one is better sa kanilang dalawa, ha? Suot na natin, guys. Let's go! So, guys, ito ang first one. Ayan, napaka-sexy niya. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. As in, bagay na bagay. I really like it. Of course, also, I like this kind of pattern. Ayan, napaka-sexy niya tingnan. Diba? I really like this one, of course. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Sabihin niyo sa akin, alin mas maganda, ha? It's like this. Ganyan siya. Maganda siya, guys. Of course, dito sa likod pa. Ganun. Maganda pa rin siya talaga as in. I really like it. Very nice and very cute. Wow. It's a wow, guys. Diba? Maganda siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang sexy ng dating. Ayan. Itong garter niya dito is napakaganda niya talaga as in. I like it. And like it also. I like it, baby. Ang ganda niya, guys. Dito maganda yung quality niya, guys. Yung garter niya is talagang hindi siya pang everyday wear. If I have this one, kasi isang pack niya siya, hindi ko talaga siya sinusuot everyday. Kasi may garter siya. I like the one without garter. Sige, suot na natin ang isa, guys. So this one, ayan, this is very sexy. High cut siya. Napaka-sexy niya. Feel ko mas bet ko ni kisa doon sa isa. I like it. Ayan, diba? Maganda yung canwantella. This one is I can wear this for everyday wear. Kasi maganda talaga siya. And really nice. I like it. Ganyan siya. Sulit ang pera. Binili ko din siya sa mall and I really like it, guys. Ganyan. So, ganyan siya sa likod. Pack. Diba, mas sexy ang dating nito. Ang cut nito is mas sexy siya, guys. Ganyan. Arriba! Ayan. Ang ganda siya, guys, right? I really like this one. Ganyan siya, guys. Back. O, diba? Maganda talaga siya, guys. It's very sexy, very nice. Let me know which one is better, this one or the first one, okay? Ganyan siya, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Salamat po. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.